Hi, this is Alex from Alex AM Technologies. Today we're going to be looking at how we can troubleshoot and fix network or Wi-Fi connection problems onto your personal computer. It can be a laptop or a desktop. Now, as you can see, we are already connected to that Bell 684 Wi-Fi network, and but in certain cases, you want let's say I can't connect to this network for some reason. What are the most common problems or issues that I see, or errors that may show me that there is a problem? Error number one: sometimes if you can't connect to the network, you will see an error which says can't connect to this network, or you will see another error which says no internet secured, or sometimes it's connected to the network but it has a kind of like an exclamation mark that it has limited access or no access. Okay, so all of these issues can be fixed by basically what we're going to be doing right now. Okay, so what we need to do is to run some command prompts on this computer or on your personal computer, and you will need the admin rights to be able to do that. That means you need a password, a computer password. If this is a company's laptop or desktop, sometimes you may not be able to do this because you are not set with those rights. Anyway, let's go ahead and do that. CMD to the bottom left here, right click, run as administrator, and then type in your admin password. And then the first command we're going to be running here is ip config flash DNS. Okay, and then the second command, you can actually do that, ipconfig release. Okay, and then the last one, I'm gonna copy that, netint ip reset, just to save time. Alright, and you're going actually to see that I'm no longer connected to the internet. Okay, this is okay, and that's how it should be. It's basically resetting all your Wi-Fi adapters, Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters, okay, on this computer. You can, from here, you can go ahead and restart the computer, or if you just want to be 100% sure that the problem is actually fixed, you can take one more step further. Right click here, go to the device manager, okay, and then you're gonna need admin rights again. Go to the network adapters here. So because I was connected to the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna go and click on that. If you were connected using an Ethernet or a wire, you wanna do the troubleshooting on that PCI family controller. But in my case, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. I will right click that, properties, change settings. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the drivers and I'm gonna uninstall device. Okay, that's it. Now the last step is to basically, I will close all these ones, don't save, and I will restart the computer. So 99.9% of the time this is going to resolve that problem, the connection problem. One note I want to remind you, all these things, steps that we've basically taken, you will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, and you're gonna need your Wi-Fi password to connect again. So if you don't have if you don't know your Wi-Fi password at home, you're not gonna do this because you can't connect to this network again. Okay, so you can find your Wi-Fi password at the back of your home router or your Wi-Fi access point. It's always written there. It starts with WPA or WPA2. Sometimes you may see it says key, or it can say WPEP, something like that. So I hope you find the video very helpful. If this has resolved your problem, please like and share. Comment as well, and you can subscribe for more videos. I will be sharing more and more every week. Thank you again for your time and your support. Have a great day.